Introducing two unbeatable trading assistants designed for success in the market. CandleMaster and ImpulseMaster, two unique robots that can turn your trading strategies into real profits. The charming CandleMaster possesses an incredible ability to analyze and interpret candlestick formations, helping you make informed decisions based on technical analysis. With CandleMaster, you can uncover hidden trends, entry and exit points, as well as optimal stop-loss and take-profit levels. Confidence and profitability will become your faithful companions. And our hero, ImpulseMaster, the true master of impulses. With ImpulseMaster, you can capture strong market movements and ride the entire trend. It's based on a moving average strategy and ensures high accuracy and stability in your trades. Whether you choose CandleMaster or ImpulseMaster, they will transform you into a true trading master in the financial markets. So are you ready to become unstoppable traders? Gain confidence, stability, and profitability with Candle Analyzer and ImpulseMaster, your indispensable helpers in the market? Become successful traders today. Download CandleMaster and ImpulseMaster and open the door to the world of financial independence. Unlock unparalleled opportunities for successful trading. Get in touch with us now and be part of the success. CandleMaster and ImpulseMaster, your reliable partners on the path to financial success. Download now and start trading with confidence. Optimize your strategies, increase your profitability, and become a trading master with CandleMaster and ImpulseMaster, your trusted assistants in the market.
Watch how our robots smoothly recover from drawdowns and confidently grow your deposit. Yes, it's not a grail, but you don't need one. Our bots will more than adequately replace it for you. The key is to resist the temptation and trail. Activate our bots only during trending periods. They have a remarkable understanding of the instrument's specifics and can operate simultaneously in different markets. All you need to do is set the initial conditions, parameters, based on your deposit size for our bots and activate them during the market's trending phase. From there, our bots will take care of everything for you in the best possible way. Just 1 hour a day is enough for our bots to increase your deposit by 50 to 100% without any aggression or risk. You can see for yourself how this happens by observing our own deposit. CandleMaster and ImpulseMaster work simultaneously across different instruments, effectively doubling our chances of winning. It was through this strategy that we were able to earn over $3 million with the help of our bots in 2013 to 2014. Watch our archived video, where we demonstrate how we achieved our success. Today, we're sharing our developments with you, and now you can also share in our success. Submit your application to acquire our bots right now and strike back at the Derived broker, just as you've wanted to do for a long time. For the first 20 people, we have a super promotional offer. We will sell both our CandleMaster and ImpulseMaster robots at the price of one bot. Hurry, as the promotion may end quickly, and you may not be among the 20. Become successful traders today. Download CandleMaster and ImpulseMaster into your trading terminal. Punch a hole in Derived Broker's wallet and open the door to your world of financial independence. Get unprecedented opportunities for successful trading. Reach out to us now and become part of the success. CandleMaster and ImpulseMaster, your reliable partners on the path to financial success. Download now and trade with confidence. Optimize your strategies, increase your profitability, and become a master of trading with CandleMaster and ImpulseMaster, your trustworthy assistants in the market. Prove that you are real options traders. Payment is accepted in perfect money or cryptocurrency.
Advantages of trading binary options with our bots. Firstly, automation. Using our bots allows you to automate your trading operations, reducing the need for manual control and market monitoring. The bots can analyze market data and make decisions to buy or sell options based on predefined strategies. Secondly, high speed of reaction. Our bots can instantly react to changes in the market situation and execute trades in real time. This enables you to take advantage of rapidly changing trends and maximize returns from successful trades. Thirdly, elimination of emotional factors. Binary options. Trading can be emotionally intense, and a trader's emotions can influence decision-making. By using our bots, this factor is eliminated as they operate based on predefined algorithms and are not subject to human emotions. Fourthly, broader market coverage. Bots can analyze and trade on multiple markets and instruments simultaneously, expanding opportunities and diversifying investment portfolios. They can work with various assets such as currencies, stocks, indices, and commodities. Fifthly, improved accuracy and strategies. Our bots can be individually configured, using complex algorithms and various technical indicators to analyze the market. This can help increase forecasting accuracy and decision-making, leading to improved trading profitability. Sixth, rational capital management. Our bots are designed for strictly controlled capital management. They can automatically determine the size of investments in each trade based on predefined parameters and risk levels. This helps reduce potential losses and improve overall portfolio stability. Trade characteristics can also be individually configured. Seventh, convenience and accessibility. Using our bots for binary options trading simplifies the process and makes it more accessible to a wide range of traders. The bots can work without the need for continuous trader presence, reducing workload and freeing up time for other tasks. However, it is important to remember that using bots does not eliminate risks and requires careful configuration and strategy selection. We fully support traders with detailed step-by-step instructions and accompanying action guides, showing when and under what conditions it is best to launch the bots and for what duration.